Verticon's about connections with our customers, with our industry partners, and most importantly, with each other.
My first HAI, which was in 1995, I stood on those stairs, and this show was so much smaller. So it's humbling to me to come into this same show hall and fast forward 30 years to see this and to see what PAG is all about. This is a complicated business today. There's a lot of work that goes into this, and it takes a village of all these people. So thank you for all you do, all the hard work and dedication that you do, but the biggest differentiator for PAG, and we can't ever forget about it, is we give people a customer service experience that they don't get anywhere else. Let's have a great show. Thank you.